I have the Hisense VIDAA Smart TV, and I'll be showing you how to connect your wired headphones to the TV. So this is simple. All you have to do is take the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack of the headphones and plug it into the back of the TV. So I'm just gonna go back to the side, just near the antenna, just push it in, and it's going to detect immediately and say headphones have been connected, and that is all you need to do. So from now on, whenever you use anything, you can see even when I increase or reduce the volume, there's a headphone icon at the top there, this one right here. That means it's currently using the headphones as the sound output. It's simple as that. Just plug it in, it's plug and play, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and good luck.